back to the channel. Yeah, the challenge is I'm gonna bowl with one eye. Depth perception, I feel like, is a pretty big deal. I'm gonna have none of that. I might foul, but anyways, I'm bowling my barber today, Nico. He actually proposed the idea. Wow, I almost missed your hand. He proposed the idea that I bowl with one eye. He's a pretty good bowler. He gave me some other handicaps. I'm like, bro, you're not that bad. He wanted me to bowl backwards. That ain't gonna work.
Between the legs.
But anyways, we're gonna do it. If he beats me, I'm gonna give him a ball. Then if I beat him, unlimited haircuts for the rest of my life. No practice. We're balling the house shot. I'm gonna miss every spare. How do I look, guys?
I told him you should put it right in the middle.
This is gonna mess me up when I take it off. We got this bright new light in the back. We got the light here. This is so much good. And the only thing bad is I'm missing an eye.
I told him to put it right in the middle. 50-50 on both eyes. Oh. I've thrown 2 shots so far with my bowling shoes on, so if I lose, that's my excuse. I'm on the concept. That's the hint of the handicap, right?
Yeah.
Damn, he's mean, bro. No warm up, nothing. Didn't tell me what pattern we're on.
Dude, this is weird.
What a concept. This guy. Hey, put both of them on.
Like, even the pins look funny. Put both of them on?
You saw all 20 pins down there?
20? I saw all 5 pins. I have one eye now, so now it's just half.
Did that go down?
Nice shot.
You didn't even see it.
Huh?
You didn't even see it.
See what?
Exactly.
I saw half of it. All right, bro, how long have you been cutting hair for?
I started when I was 22, so 10 years now, 11 years.
Oh, yeah, we're the same age.
Yeah. Still looking good though, that's all that matters. That's what the haircut's for. Bigger handicap, bro.
See, you know what?
Handicap.
You know, it's not really a handicap because I don't really look at anything anyways. It's all feel.
Again.
I don't know how far.
Is it really messy up that bad?
You want to try? Where's my drink? I almost missed my mouth.
Ooh, come back.
Uh-oh.
You saw that one.
You're gonna lose to a guy with one eye. Uh-oh. I did pick the dominant eye, by the way.
Yeah?
I'm pretty sure I'm right eye dominant.
Perfect.
Well, now I'm left eye dominant.
You know what? That's what they do. When you got one weak eye, they put an eye patch on you.
Well, I feel like when you only have one eye, you have no choice but to look through the objects with the one eye.
And that was pretty spot on. All right.
Oh, hooking at it.
That's a lead bowler right there,
I
baby.
think the hard part about bowling with one eye, not being used to it, I can't really tell what my ball's doing as it's going down the lane. So I'm really gonna have to rely on what happens when it hits the pins to tell me if I have to move. Dude, when it leaves my hand, I don't know if it needs to hook, if it needs to push.
It's going pretty far, so you should probably move right, like 10.
Move right?
Like 10 right.
10 right.
This guy.
If I bowl 300 with an eye patch on, oh my goodness.
This guy.
There's my coach right here. Coach Jazz now is giving lessons. Is this a good way to practice? I can't tell what my ball is doing as it's going down the lane. Like, I don't know if it needs to hook. I don't know if it needs to push.
I told him to double patch the one eye just for extra blindness.
Right eye dominant.
I am right eye dominant. I know, because when I get done playing video games for hours, my right eye is like bloodshot. Yeah. But only the right.
Ooh.
Oh, you're in trouble.
Terrible.
You're in trouble. I'm about to get free haircuts for life.
That's what happens when I move right.
Do you want to present your package now or after you pick up the spare?
Probably now, beforehand.
Before you? You see, yeah, I'm playing mind games. Throwing him off his game.
All right, so right
let's
here.
get a little closer. I'm not really sure how far away we are, though.
Right there, I think. All right, my boy. So this is a little piece from the clothing brand that I'm going to be starting up, which is Never Gutter Gang.
I don't know if I could wear that.
Why is that?
Because I definitely throw gutters.
It's to encourage you not to get in the gutter.
Okay, all right,
Yeah.
all right.
It doesn't mean you don't throw it in the gutter, bro.
All right.
Come on, no?
Are you selling these already?
No, March 1st is when I'm
March
trying
1st, so this video might be going out after March 1st, so check out Never Gutter Gang. Remind me to put the link in my description, but check out the shirts down below. Support a friend. It's always good to have more bowling merch. Never throw it in the gutter. Encouragement by Nico the Barber.
Exactly, over at Noble Barbershop.
And Darren. All right, good luck on your spare. Let me see. Wait, we gotta show them the packaging though. This is some special packaging. Sorry. All right, go ahead. Is it the same shirt you're wearing right now?
Yeah, but yours is actually gonna be like a 1 of 1 because I didn't have a small in it. So
1 of 1?
Yeah.
1 of 1? We gotta see it.
Unless the price is paid for it.
We need to see the 1 of 1-ish. Oneness. I think that's good.
Would have kicked out the 7, brother.
Never got a gang.
Bang bang. Our better gang.
I like the design. It gives a like Wii bowling ball vibe.
Yeah.
It's got the nostalgic card. People kept dogging the concept. Oh, this ball looks like trash. You look like trash. I've only thrown this ball in house shots so far for score. I feel like I whomped on that one. Not hard enough. Here's the real test. A spare. Here we go. Get my spare ball.
I think I needed a better handicap, bro.
Thumb feels good. What do you mean? It's close-ish. If I miss this, then it's really close. I also haven't shot a spare yet today, so. Foul! That's 10 push-ups. I'm bowling this tour season with an eye patch on.
What a guy.
Here we go. Here we go.
Freaking bully, bro.
One of my favorite animes is One Piece. I'm Zoro. He doesn't wear an eye patch, but he's his eye's messed up.
Oh no, left side.
Brooklyn! All right. Is it coincidence that I was talking smack to the comment section about my ball being not cheeks and then I flat 10'd? If you guys are loving the threads, check out efx.co. I think this is a limited drop though, so by the time this video goes out, it might be gone already, but always keep up with the posts, follow them on Instagram, do all the things so you don't miss a drop. My goodness, this rack is bad. Hook a lot.
Bro. Oh, brother.
Arr. Arr.
This guy.
I bet you people are watching this going, oh, it doesn't even make a difference. Why don't you guys try? And let me know how you ball in the comment section down below. You get an eye patch. I ordered a 2-pack off of Amazon for $6.
You're gonna get a bunch of people that actually have eye patches get mad at you.
Arr.
All right, let's throw a better shot, man. Let's get back in the game, bro. Oh, dude, that one fell off my hand, bro. I was gonna rip the cover stock off that.
I was distracted. All right.
Is that -5 rev on that?
I am clobbering the middle finger right now. Not staying up the back of the ball. All right, here goes another shot. Stop fouling.
Oh my God, bro. Come on, man.
You're distracting me with your foul. It's kind of like when open play ballers just drop the ball on the approach. It's really loud. But anyways, yes!
Bro, mid-approach. Stop fouling. Proceeds to strike.
I mean, I rolled the 2-pin. I was a little lucky. Is this what the people on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube are talking about when this ball just starts going straight? It still carries oil down the lane. It doesn't flare.
Yeah, I don't know how you do this, man. It's hot over here, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, man. These lights
I'm just as cool as a cucumber.
These lights are beaming.
You know how you maintain that? You eat a lot of cucumbers. Pause.
That looks good.
Maybe? Oh boy, we got a match. 257, 279 clip. I gotta keep on striking. I'm not even warm yet. Oh boy.
I was gonna say, bro, how?
Hey, here we go, here we go, here we go. Wow, that was steep. I didn't think that was gonna come
switch
back.
the iPad to the other eye after the 5th frame.
Should I switch?
Automatic.
Maintain my 1-pin max lead. I gotta have one high five where I just completely whiff.
There's a mean client, man. I thought I was gonna have fun over here. Didn't even
This
let me
is
have
fun.
practice.
What do you mean? The match is close.
Here we go, here we go. Same shot, same shot. Ooh.
That looks close.
Low.
Oh. Hooked a little early.
I threw it slow. Super slow.
Did I track over the middle finger on that one? That one wasn't as bad.
Switch eyeballs and switch balls.
Switch eyeballs. So
Should've done
take
that
out my
mid-frame, bro.
take out my eye and put it in the left socket.
That one I'll shoot straight at.
I think the comment section could agree. This is one of our better opponents.
Is
They
it?
said ball change. I feel like I'm losing my what is it called? Equilibrium.
All right, so next game we'll do it again.
I'm making a ball change. My ball's not hooking anymore, so I'm gonna switch balls. That was terrible. Carry.
I swear, if it was a back door, man, you got Tim back there throwing the pins over.
I can't tell what my ball's gonna do. I mean, it was bad. It was just bad, but I'm gonna go back to the absorbing oil, ball of absorption. I think it's just so, I don't wanna offend anybody, but I do wanna offend people, but I think it's funny when people think that, oh, it's a faster absorbing oil ball, so it's gonna die faster. But the same amount of oil is on the ball. It just absorbs it faster.
Dude, I can't take you seriously with the eye patch. You look like you're like looking at dead space. When you're explaining that concept, your face is just like dead air.
It's just ridiculous how people think that a ball that absorbs oil faster is gonna die faster just because it's absorbing the oil faster, but it's picking up the same amount of oil when you throw a shot as a ball that absorbs the oil slower. It's a silly thought.
Darren, I'm over here. I'm over here.
Oh. I can feel my eyelashes rubbing against the eye patch, and I think they're falling off and going into my eye. All right, 11 pin lead for the professional bowler. He liked it. I hated the result. What do I need here? Now I just need a good count and stay clean. 9 spare, 9 spare, 9 should do it. No, 9 spare, 9 spare strike.
I get the endless 10th, yeah?
Endless 10th. Sure, why not? Wait, I feel like you're too good for that.
Trying to become like Julie.
King Julian. Shout out to King Julian. He does some of our thumbnails. Not only is he the perfect bowler, but he's an awesome friend and he is very gifted at doing stuff. I'm gonna keep it on the concept. That last shot with the bionic kind of scared me. Maybe I'll just start a little slower.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, this could be a pivotal moment in the match. Carry. Oof. That's what 25 years of spare shooting does for you. You could bowl with one eye and still.
That was a genuine one, bro.
I don't like this. I feel like I'm gonna get a headache from the difference in brightness in both eyes. I'm gonna take a peek.
Hey, it's better than the other idea we had with the drunk goggles.
No, that would have been a great idea. That would have been a great idea. You just would have beaten the piss out of me.
So I get my endless 10th, yeah?
We both get the endless 10.
All right, okay.
I haven't done a strike in a while.
I've never seen anybody hit 2 in one video of these. And I can't get one. What a bum!
Well, it only has to strike in the fill, so you gotta spare it.
What a bum.
I need to hurry up and finish this match. I can feel my headache coming on. That's the one you throw it straight at?
Whoa! What a bum.
I just need to hit 2. I just gotta keep it on the lane. We should be okay. I'm never throwing a ball blindfolded again. It's just not good for the bowling alley.
Where was that 5 frames ago?
Well, if I didn't need to strike, or if I needed to strike, I wouldn't have thrown that ball.
Picks it up, crazy.
Wait, what?
No, I'm kidding.
All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate Nico coming on the channel. If you guys want to get a haircut from Nico, he's located at Noble Wolf Barbers here in Las Vegas. Appreciate you coming on. Thanks for the shirt, man.
Of course, bro.
Thanks for the challenge. I hope it was entertaining for you guys. Final score 197-212. Oof. Yeah, you let me know if you guys can bowl a good game with an eye patch on, or if you just, there's probably somebody out there that only sees out of one eye and they probably bowl amazing. But thanks for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.